This is a Thai-inspired coleslaw smothered in a flavorful peanut sauce. It brings together the crispness of shredded cabbage, carrots, bell peppers, edamame, scallions, cilantro, and peanuts. And there's so much to love in this bowl of goodness. Protein, fiber, omega-3 fats, vitamin C. But the star of the show is definitely this mouth-watering peanut sauce, and it's so easy to make. Stir it into a thick paste, then thin it out with some water and pour it over the top. It's delicious. It'll turn any humdrum meal into a moment.